What's up, junkies? Welcome back to the track. Today is day 23 and I'm down 21 pounds. So I'm currently over 67 hours into my fast and I'm going to break it with this gigantic bowl of fruit. And yeah, today is day 23. Actually, it's my birthday as well. So in this bowl right here, I have, in this bowl right here, I have a variety of fruit consisting of blackberries, raspberries, some pineapple, and blueberries. So this is about 18 ounces of pineapples. This is a whole pint of blueberries, 6 ounces of blackberries, and 6 ounces of raspberries. So as this fast goes on, I'm noticing that I'm craving fruit a lot more and just raw whole foods. So also I noticed last time when I broke my fast, I broke it with fruit like this. And I felt totally different. Like I felt a lot better. I felt lighter. And I had more energy. And then also this last fast that I just did literally was like the easiest fast I've done so far. And honestly, I'm not even really hungry right now. This is a large bowl of food. I'm probably not going to eat all of this. I ate a bowl like this the other day and I finished the whole thing, but after eating like that, for some reason I wasn't really hungry during this fast at all. Like I had a couple of moments where hunger set in, but it was very subtle. And it went away very quick. So I'm just playing around with different foods and seeing what works and seeing how it affects me and seeing how my body feel after I eat it. So it's all a part of the process. You know, these fruits I selected here are fruits that I personally like and enjoy. So, you know, when it comes down to it, you don't have to have these particular fruits. You don't have to eat exactly what I'm eating. Find out what works for you. Find out what you like. That's a part of the process as well. I like these pineapple spears better than the ones that they cut into cubes. I don't know, I feel like they're juicier. It could just be a mental thing. After not eating this long and eating this fruit right now, these flavors are very robust. And my taste buds actually feel weird right now. I don't even know how to explain it. It's almost like my taste buds are being overpowered right now. And it's a weird feeling. Not really comfortable feeling. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. This is this is also pretty filling. This has a lot of fiber and different nutrients, so that fiber is what fills you up, makes you feel full for longer without eating as much. So I think that may have helped in my last fast as well. Nothing like a bowl of nature's candy. So today is my birthday. I don't really have any plans. It's very cold and quite a bit of snow outside still here in Buffalo. It's pretty much cold all over the US right now. This winter is wintering. Anybody ever cut their pineapple with a knife? Is that weird? I don't know. There's a lot of food. I was able to put it down the other day, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna finish it. This is a lot. I'm already starting to get full and I really haven't eaten that much. But I don't want to get too full. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room in case I want to have a bite to eat a little later. Before I start the clock back up. So, I just stopped the clock. Now I'm eating. I'll eat this. And maybe I'll eat something later. I'm not sure. It depends on how I feel. And then I'll start the clock back up again. And I think I'll do maybe a 24 hour. So yeah, day 23. Down 21 pounds. And we'll see what we weigh tomorrow. Oh my God. So delicious. This is a lot of flavor. Oh, look at this. It's a good bite. All right, I'm doing a little bit of damage. Oh boy. I don't know. I'm starting to get full. I'm also a very slow eater, typically. So, when I'm eating foods that's high in fiber like this, a lot of times the food starts to break down as I'm eating, and once that fiber breaks down, it makes me feel fuller faster. A lot of times before I'm able to finish everything, which can also help you to not overeat the wrong things. Another thing with this hair is that it's good to break it fast like this, because what I learned from the last time is that this is very low in calories, and it's low in calories and it's nutrient dense. So I broke my fast a couple of other times. You know, one time I broke my fast, I had pizza and wings. Another time I broke my fast, you know, I had like I think a burrito quesadilla, and I felt sluggish after those times. And also, when I got hungry again, the hunger pains came in and they were pretty bad. But I noticed that when I eat a lot of fiber like this, it takes longer for me to get hungry, and when I do, the hunger is very subtle and it does not last long at all. And it's strange because it'll probably last for like 15-20 minutes and go away, and it feels like I feel like I'm full, like I ate a full meal. I don't know the science behind that, but it's kind of strange, but also pretty cool at the same time. So yeah, these are some of my favorite fruits. I would say out of all of these, my favorite would probably be blueberry. But I like them all together like this because it's just a smorgasbord of goodness. Okay. I can't do it, I'm tapping out. I'm gonna save this for later or today. And yeah. So this is just, let me just keep showing you guys what I'm eating as I'm breaking my fast. I kind of give you guys an idea, an insight to exactly what I'm doing to get the results that I'm getting. So delicious. Well, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.